Can you really increase your IQ, or is it just a number you're born with? Today we're uncovering what science actually says, and some of it might surprise you. For decades, IQ was seen as almost permanent, a number written in stone. But modern neuroscience tells a different story. Your brain is plastic. That means it can rewire, adapt, and grow, if you know how. So, can you really get smarter? The answer is, sort of. Let me explain. Scientists talk about two types of intelligence: fluid intelligence, your problem-solving and pattern recognition skills. This is like your brain's raw power. Crystallized intelligence, the knowledge and skills you accumulate over time. Think of this as your brain's library. Here's the kicker. Fluid intelligence is harder to change, but crystallized intelligence, that can grow, sometimes dramatically. Here's what actually works. Challenge your brain. Learn a new language, code, or play an instrument. New skills build new neural connections. Move your body. Aerobic exercise improves memory and thinking speed. Your brain loves a good workout. Sleep and nutrition. Skimp on sleep and junk food and your thinking slows down. It's that simple. Mindset matters. Believing your brain can improve makes a measurable difference. Science calls this a growth mindset. But don't fall for the hype, those IQ-boosting apps. They mostly make you better at the game on the app, not smarter in life. Real improvement takes consistent habits, challenges, and lifestyle changes. Think of your brain like a muscle. You won't see a six-pack after one sit-up, but with consistent training, it grows stronger over time. Your IQ may not skyrocket overnight, but your cognitive potential can. So can you increase your IQ? Science says yes, but only if you're willing to put in the work. The brain you want is the brain you build. Hit like if you want smarter habits, subscribe for more brain science, and tell me in the comments, what skill are you learning right now to level up your mind?